using bioinformatics websites. After completing this video, you should be able to 1. Access molecular data from the National Center for Biotechnology Information, or NCBI, website. 2. Import molecular data into the European Bioinformatics Institute's, or EMBL-EBI, website. And 3. Use computational tools at EMBL-EBI to do a multiple sequence alignment. Open your web browser and go to the NCBI website by typing in the following web address: www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. Select nucleotide from the drop-down menu and search the 12S rRNA sequences given in the lab by entering the accession number and select the FASTA link to display the gene sequence. Highlight the entire sequence, from the greater than or caret symbol to the end of the sequence, and copy it. Now you're going to enter it into the software to analyze it. In a new browser window or tab, open the European Bioinformatics Institute's EMBL-EBI website at www.ebi.ac.uk. You will be moving back and forth between the NCBI website and the EBML-EBI website. From the EBML-EBI website, select Find Data Resources, then select Clustal Omega. On this page, there are 3 steps to complete here. Step 1. First, enter in your input sequences. Select DNA from the drop-down menu. Then paste in the FASTA sequence from your clipboard. Then delete the scientific label and give the sequence a descriptive label. Be sure not to repeat any words in the descriptive label. For example, do not use the labels American black bear and American brown bear. Instead use black bear and brown bear. Go back to the NCBI website and copy another bear sequence. Now go back to the EBML-EBI website and tap the Return or Enter key on your keyboard twice to put some space between the first sequence and the second sequence in the sequence input box. Paste the second sequence below the original. Add a descriptive label as you did for the first sequence. Continue this for the rest of the bear species until you have DNA for all of the bear species. Remember to add space between each sequence and give it a descriptive name. Once this is completed, the sequences should resemble the following. After all bear sequences have been entered, the sequences need to be aligned. This is step 2. Select Clustal W with character counts. Step 3. Select the Submit button. Observe on the results page how the gene sequences line up. Also note, there is a tab on this page that shows the phylogenetic tree. On the results page, you can see where the nucleotides are identical and where they are different in the gene sequences. Keep in mind, the more similar 2 sequences are, the more closely related they are, and the more recently they shared a common ancestor. Likewise, the more nucleotide differences there are due to mutations means more time has passed since they shared a common ancestor.